In this video, I'm going to break down my exact free system to scrape unlimited leads for any business, any niche. This is the same method I use to build my business over 20,000 a month MRR. And yes, I'm not wearing a shirt because I'm in Southeast Asia and it's hot, just like the women. This works for any kind of businesses, literally any kind of business that's on the internet, which is every business. First thing, pick a niche, no matter what it is. You need to head over to Appify and you can get this step-by-step guide that has all of the inputs, all the prompts, all the JSONs, and everything that you'll need. So you can follow the video and follow the guide step by step, get it for free. Link in the description. Create an Appify account. It's free. They give you $5 a month free credit. So every month, so if you sign up today and the day's the first, every first of the month, you'll get $5 for free. So if you want to add more money to that, they have different plans and stuff like that. But every month you get $5, right? And then you want to head over and find the Google Maps scraper, go to Actors, and then go to the store, and it'll look like this. It's made by a company called Compass. There's a bunch of them out there. So make sure you get the one that says Compass. And then you're going to see all this different stuff right here. Add on this, scrape this, blah, 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 blah. And you'll see all these different toggles, and like this will take forever to do. So what you want to do, instead of doing all that bullshit, you want to click the input, and then you want to select JSON, okay? And then on the JSON, you're just going to, from our handy dandy document right here, on step number 3, you're just going to copy and paste this JSON right here. It ends when step 4 starts. So just copy that and select all the BS that's already there, and then paste in our new JSON. Okay. So you don't have to really change anything on this. Just leave it the way it is. This is perfect. Trust me. The only thing that you need to change is right down here where it says URL. Okay. Where it says URL, you're going to need to change that to the URL that you get from Google Maps. So head on over to Google Maps and whatever niche that you are searching for. In this demo, I want to use pawn shops in Topeka, Kansas, because everyone loves Topeka and everyone loves pawn shops. Okay. And I know there's not that many, so it won't take that long. So what you're going to do is just copy and paste this full Google Maps address that it gives you directly from Google Maps, and it has to say google.com/maps. You can't just put in a regular Google link, okay? And then flip back over to your Appify. Inside your JSON, just highlight the address that's already there and simply put paste. Easy as that. Make sure you don't delete any of the quotation marks or anything else. Just simply highlight the full address, URL, and then click start. And while that is starting up, like I said, if you want to follow along step by step, get the JSON prompt and the step-by-step guide that's free below. So make sure you get that to make this super easy for you. And this is actually going to be a series. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to scrape the leads for free and format them in a way that we can actually use. Okay. As you can see, it succeeds. Okay. Here is our people. Looks like we got 7 leads from that, and it cost us 6 cents. Okay. So you're kind of seeing, boom. And that money was free. Like I said, because the website gives a $5 credit. So then we're going to come up here to export. And this is important too, okay? So on view, click contact info, and then format CSV, okay? And you don't have to change anything else, and hit download. All right, and then that will download. So right now we are done in Appify, okay? So your next step, that is a Richard Milley, that Jake Paul gave me. All right, and your next step is to head over to Airtable and create a new workspace. If you never used Airtable before and you're like, bro, I just use Google Sheets, that's great, but Google Sheets specialists don't get paid $200,000 a year like Airtable specialists do. All right, so need to learn how to use Airtable. It's free. It's all in the instructions here. Follow the link in the description. We're going to create a new workspace and name it something you remember. Okay, so for this one, we're doing pawn stores. All right, so I'm gonna put in pawn, and then we're going to create. It'll say your workspace is empty, and we need to create something. All right, so here it's going to ask you how you want to start. You want to build with Omni, which is their AI, or you want to make your own. We love AI, so of course we want to use AI to build our spreadsheet. All right, and then what we're going to do from the guide on step 6, you're just going to copy and paste the prompt that I am giving to you. Just copy and paste that prompt in, and then import your spreadsheet, which is what we just downloaded from Appify. So go ahead and import that. All right, and once your file is uploaded, you'll see it right here attached above your prompt. And then let's go ahead and let's build this sucker. By the way, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like I said, this is part of a series. I'll show you how to use this and actually how to make money from just Google Maps. Leave a comment. Let me know what you're doing with the data, what niche you're working in. So right now, it's not only just taking our raw data file, it is actually creating customer profiles for each listing. It's creating a lead funnel tracker. All right, and here we go. Now we have the raw data in our Airtable, and we have all this info here. What category they're in, all this info here. Email addresses, phone numbers, right? But instead of just showing us the raw data, the Airtable went ahead and made an interface as well to show us this data the way we want to see it. So not only does Airtable give us the raw data from the Appify scraper, it actually formats it in an easy to read way that we want to see it. So for us, the most important thing is not all that jib-job gibberish over there. You know, we want their email addresses, their phone numbers, their websites, their addresses, right? What part of the funnel are they in? New, wrong info, re-engage, not in. It created a leads gallery for us, a leads dashboard. So we have 7 new leads. Boom. So it kind of helps you visualize this. It's not just a bunch of data on a spreadsheet, guys. These are money, right? Boom. So there you have it. Now that you have your first set of leads, subscribe and get ready for the next video. And I'll show you how we're going to use those. Peace.